Okay, this is the day that I'm going to start building the table. I've got my maple, and I got to go get some more out of the dining room. It's been sitting in there for, let's see, 10 months? 9 months? Something like that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and grab some more of the maple and set it up here, and then we'll get started. Okay. How much we have? Not a lot of extra. Okay. Now I'm going to pick out the best boards. I'm going to lay them out and see how many of these I will need to place together with some extra, and we'll go from there. Alright, I'm going to start getting these edges all clean. That's one side. You'll see it. That is your straight edge. It's not perfect yet, but it's going to be. I'm going to run this through the table saw and get them down to a size that I want, but using that straight edge against the rail, and that's how I'm going to do it. So I'm just setting up my table saw. So that I can cut these down. I set it to 5 3/4. I'm just going to verify that with my tape. Alright, so I'm going to do that for the other ones here, and then I'm going to change. Okay, now that I got my edges done, I'm going to run it through this planer and okay, just finishing up with the milling. I think we're pretty close. Most of the boards have a pretty good finish on it. Getting all the rough off of it, and it's going down to a nice size. So I think that one more pass through, and then I'm gonna see about putting a tabletop on this and setting out the boards to see how they fit together, and then any adjustments I'll make then. Alright, here we are. I got them all together, all the boards together. I haven't glued them yet, but this is basically the lineup that I have for this. So I think it looks pretty good. All the boards will go together fairly well. with a little bit of tension on it, it'll when I glue it up, it'll dry real nice. So I'm gonna clean up and get things all ship shape. There's sawdust everywhere.